Lanjut, kita ke chapter 13. Di chapter 13 ini, saya akan membahas tentang computer program and programming language. Chapter 13. Computer program and programming language. Objective overview: differentiate the machine and assembly language, identify and discuss the process of products, the programming language, and describe the profile of control. Identify and discuss the characteristic of this object-oriented programming language key and program development tools. Identify the usage of other programming language key and program development tools. Describe various way to develop web pages. Identify the user of popular multimedia outsourcing program. List the steps in the program development life cycle. Development with one structure design and object-oriented design. Explain the basic control structure and design tools used in design solution to programming problem. Computer program and programming language. A computer program is a set of instructions that direct a computer to perform tasks. Could be a program using a programming language. Contohnya itu ya. Low level language, machine language, only language. Dan ini contoh kodenya. Assembly language, programmer, search program, procedural language. In a procedural language, the programmer will instruct the computer what to assembly and how to do it. The generation language. Procedural language, search program, compiler, object, results. Dan dari compiler program listening, data ke objek program. Search program, data interpreter, result. Procedural language. Let's say programming language is used to write many of today program. COBOL is designed for business application but easy to write because of the English-like statements. Object-oriented program language and program development tools. An object-oriented programming (OP) language allows programmers that the ability to use and modify existing objects. Other advantages include objective can be resolved, programmer create application faster, work well in a right environment. Most program development tools are IDEs. Object-oriented programming language and program development tools Java. The just in time. The micronet from Ford almost any type of program to run on the internet or on international business network as well as computer and mobile device. Features include CLR, common language, recommend runtime class. C++ is an expansion of the C program language. C is based on C++ and was developed by Microsoft. Combines the plenty of object-oriented language with this of a functional language. Visual Studio is Microsoft's suite of program development tools. Visual Basic, Visual C++, Visual C. Ini contoh gambarnya ya, dari step 1, step 2, step 3, dan step keempat. Kita bisa pelajari sendiri. A visual programming language is a language that uses a visual or graphical interface for creating a source code. Golang is a powerful program development tool that is ideal for building large-scale enterprise and web application in a real environment. Contoh gambarnya. Power Builder is a powerful program development tool built for web-based net and large-scale enterprise project-oriented application. Ini aplikasinya. Other programming language and development tool Vocal for generation is a mechanical language to enable user and program to access data in a database. One popular vocal is SQL. Classic programming language include ada Argo, APL, Basic, Fortran, Hyperlink, Lisp, LESP, Logo, Modular 2, Pascal, Pilot, PL1, Prolog, RPG, Smata. Application generation is a program that cracks the search code or mechanic code from a specification of the requirement functionality. A macro is a search of terms that include an application of to complete a text. You usually create the macro in one of two ways. Record the macro with a macro record with the macro. FBO macro dan ini macro dialog box in Excel window. Webpack development HTML, text HTML, XML or web development tools that create text and set text to display content on various pages. WML is a subset of XML and is used to design pages for micro browser to application of XML or RSS to the zero and item. Webpack development, dan ini contoh gambarnya ya dari XML, XSLT, kita bisa lihat sendiri. Web browser can execute program to identify element to web page to send and receive information between your computer and a web server. The program uses the GUI command gateway interface script applet servlet tvx control. Webpack development, kita bisa lihat sendiri gambarnya. Programmer web security apply server or actively control using a variety of language JavaScript, Perl, PHP, React, TCL, FB, script. Dan ini contoh gambarnya. Dynamic HTML. The HTML or web development to include more graphical and interactivity. Considering still set CSS contain the format for how a particular object should be displayed. Ruby on Rails or provider technology for developing object-oriented database-driven websites. Web 2.0 allows websites to provide elements for user to share personal information, allow user to modify website content, have application software built into the site. Most web 2.0 sites use applets and API and API programs to interact with an environment such as a website operation system. Webpack authoring style of software can create text web pages that include image, video, audio, animation, and other effects. They may Expand web class SharePoint designer. Multimedia program development. Multimedia alternate software allow programmer to combine text, graphic, animation, audio, and video in an interactive presentation toolbox and director. Ini contoh gambar multimedia. Program development. Program development consists of a series of steps programming to build computer program. Kita lihat di sini bisa kita pelajari ada analisis pada planning, analisis, design, implementation, operation, support, and security. Di sini juga bisa kita pelajari analisis requirement, design selection, validation, implementation, test solution, document selection. Step 1. Energy recruitment. To initiate key program development program. Develop the requirement met with the system analysis on user, identify input, process, and output, IPO chart. Dan ini contoh IPO chart. Ada gambarnya. Step 2. Design a solution algorithm. In activity design, the programmer typically begins with a general design and moves to a more detailed design. Programmer use a hierarchy chart to show program models graphical. Dan ini contoh gambarnya, domain, intelligent processor web. With object-oriented decision, the programmer packages the data and the program into a single object and to consider the word and feature. This could control to show an or more action flow as order in order. Where control structure action 1, action 2, action 3. The selection controls to tell the program which action to take based on a action condition if then else case. If the control condition false, action true, 2, action 1. Case control structure condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, condition 4. Condition 1, action 1, condition 2, action 2, condition 3, action 3, condition 4, action 4. The repetition control enable a program to form a more action rapidly as long as a correction condition is met. A program for chart graphically show the logic in a solution algorithm. Following short match is easy to modify an object of chart with smart draw ratio. Shaded code uses a conventional form of onion or control program logic. UML has been adapted as a standard notation for object modeling and development. Validation check for logic error using test data. From various set of test data, determine the expand result. Step 2, the algorithm compare the result. Repeat steps for a set of test data. Implement of the design include using a program development tool that assists the program by generation or affirming some or a code within the code that translate the design into a computer program, creating order or user interface. Explain programming is a strategy with programmer immediately begin coding and testing solutions as soon as recruitment or defense. Step 5. Test selection. The goal of program testing is to ensure the program is complete and is error-free. Error includes syntax error and logic error. Debugging the program involves removing and books a bit. Is a program that has most or all of its features and functionality implemented. Document selection. In the selection the programmer from to activity. The program code evolve all the documentation. Video electronic apps going mobile. Summary. Various programming languages used to create computer program. A variety of web development and multimedia development tools. Step in the program development life cycle and tools used to make this process efficient. Terima kasih.